Hi guys, welcome to my channel Ramos Techniques, and today we are going to discuss
how we can enable a dark mode in WhatsApp. So here is the WhatsApp which I have installed in my phone. Then I'm just going to settings. By default it is a white background, but if you wanted to change it to black or dark, then you need to go to the chats, and you need to go to the theme, and here's the option for the dark. If you select a dark and press OK, then it will turn into black background, and you can see how nice it looks. A very decent look WhatsApp has given for this one. And if you wanted to change it again, go to the chats in settings, go to display, and select light for the theme and click OK. Then it will automatically turn into white. Now I'm changing it to dark. And if you wanted to select a wallpaper for this one, then you need to click on wallpaper, then go for the solid color, and whichever color you want you can select. See, it will show you a preview of your wallpaper. If you wanted to set, then you can set here by clicking set. And if you wanted to change, and if you wanted to select from your gallery, then go to gallery and go for the some random photos which I have selected here. And if you wanted to showcase this one, then click set. Now if you go to the chats, I'm just creating a new chat here, and here here's the another one. And if you see the background, you'll see a background which I have selected as a wallpaper. So this is the clue how you can change your WhatsApp background to a default or a solid color, or a wallpaper from your gallery. Or if you wanted to change your WhatsApp into dark, then I have shown in this video. Please share this video to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video, and like, share and comment to my channel Ramos Techniques. Thanks.